What are the best crops to plant in July to ensure a successful autumn vegetable garden? If in June you sowed chicory, curly, endive or escarole like here in a garden bed, you can take advantage of them in July. It's very economical. Otherwise, you can simply go to a garden center and right now you'll find small plugs, head lettuces and escarole chicory that you can transplant directly into your vegetable garden. The challenge with July when it comes to bare root curly endive or escarole is the sun. So to prevent evaporation, we're going to cut the leaves in half. We're going to make a starter hole every 25 to 30 centimeters. I thoroughly water the bottom of the hole and then transplant my curly endive or escarole. The transplanting process is exactly the same, just making the hole a little deeper, especially if the root goes straight down. And there you have it, our curly endive is transplanted. In July, we take advantage of the plants that were sown in pockets, like Swiss chard. So there are 3 or 4 plants in the same clump. What we're going to do is water them well. We'll leave 1 Swiss chard per pocket and transplant the others. So that gives us an extra plant to set a little further away in the vegetable garden. In July as well, we transplant all the cabbages, green cabbages, red cabbages, Brussels sprouts and cauliflowers. And it's also the prime time to transplant your leeks. But before transplanting your leeks, it's important to enrich your soil well with an organic fertilizer. Because don't forget that the leeks transplanted in July, they are often planted after another crop, like here, after a potato crop. Leeks whose leaves we cut before transplanting, give them a good watering, transplant them, and in principle, they will be harvested starting from November or December. It must be said that July is not the most favorable month for planting everything in the vegetable garden. It's more of a month for sowing. But above all, don't forget, for everything you have transplanted, to water well and especially to mulch in order to save water.